Hello, everyone, and welcome to Torture. I have breakfast right in front of me. I'm not eating it until this is over. Where are we? Oh, we're going up this time. I don't see any diamonds. I don't think we did anything with up. So, the WoW expansion came out, and that's where I've been. For all of my fan out there, all of the one of you that were getting concerned, I'm sure. And also because I had to think really hard about it. Sometimes I worry too much about things like, oh God, take things like this too seriously, and it's not healthy. And a couple people that really care about me. Oh God, sorry. That reminded me that this is for fun and this is for me, and I shouldn't just, arbitrary schedule it for no reason if I'm not feeling it, if that's not where I want to be. I haven't made promises on time. The content just pops up when it pops up, and I should be happy with that. Oh. Hyperlight Drifter's a weird one, man. Because, I imagine, for anyone that would make a career choice out of YouTubing, a game like this, it feels like, feels like it's hard to just pick this one up and put it down, Like, you have to be in the right frame of mind to want to play a very unique game. Like, it's an experience, Hyperlight Drifter. Whenever I play it, I only do like an episode or so at a time because it's just kind of draining in a really good way. Hey, dang, thing's fast. Did it go? No. It expresses some of those emotions inside you, and it can feel very exposing. Maybe it sounds a little artsy or makes me sound a little silly. It's just how I feel about it. It's got such a mysterious, ambient vibe. It just kind of digs into you a little. And I'm not always in a good place to handle that. It reminds me of music, where I'll play music that I enjoy that expresses what I'm feeling. And sometimes that's how I process my emotions. If I'm in a good mood, I'll play happy music to amplify it. And lots of people know that. You want to dance and play happy music and stuff, and it's great. Oh, scallop out. All right, got Bird King. Bird King man, bird face. Oh, is it the boss? Oh yeah. There's Quetzalcoatl, the bird man. So, happy music's an easy example, but even when I'm angry or sad, a lot of people do this, play angry music when I'm angry. Oh, shit. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Take a cough drop. Because you just want some way of working those muscles in your heart as a really simplistic, hey, and ridiculous way of looking at it. You've got some sore muscles, and you need to exercise them. Because they hurt, and you don't know what to do about it. You just sit there in pain. It sounds like a load of nonsense, but it's certainly something to talk about when we play Hyperlight Drifter, isn't it? Is that I like to be in a good emotional spot. 10, God, to play this game. I like to be feeling it. Oh, man, really? Come on. Got him. Ah. Oh, the breakfast is right there. It's tantalizing, man. Ooh, Pop-Tarts. Oh, God, look at that. It's a Titan going up a mountain. We call those things Titans. This game hasn't given me any words yet, so we'll just assume those are Titans. It looks so smooth and adorable, but when I start falling off cliffs and stuff, God, it just kills the immersion, doesn't it? It drives me crazy. Wrong button! I used my grenade. Oh man, love that thing. Can you? What's up with that deer, dude? Skeletons. Huh. How do you do this? Up. Whoop. I'm just too good, man. You know, I can't help it. I'm just too amazing. Some might call me a god among men. The Jackal! The Dream Jackal. I'm all about that guy. Come back here. A hunter. I'm gonna call these hunters. He's sick like I am. The game's not down with me cutting right there. So what happened? Why are we sick? Are we fighting corruption? Some manifestation of evil is inhabiting parts of our body that we're not down to clown with? Ow! Stop. I mean, really? Why are we sick? Oh, there's a... I'm doing alright on health. I'm not going to backtrack. That'll be for Future Broken. Future Broken will come through here and be like, man, I worked so hard. Why don't I get anything out of life? Past Broken took it all. We'll see that and be like, oh, wow. Maybe Past Broken loves me after all. Nope. Ow! Okay. Well, that kind of blows. Duly noted. We'll shoot him next time, as was my first instinct. Hey, I'm a pretty mediocre shot. That was okay. Ooh, getting some money. That's what that is, right? Hey! Calm down. Well, I really want to play at some point is some Shadowgate. Man, I love that 2014 Shadowgate release. It makes me so happy. I played recently, though, and I remembered... This is key. Ow. Okay. Better suck it in! I do. I suck at it really bad. More health over there. I don't even need it. Too good. Oh, God. That's him. I'm here. Am I actually going to fight a boss? Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. Out of ammo. That's two. Okay. Ow. Woo! Ow! God, it hurt. Badass! This is my first one? My first skull? Teleporter! Right to the top! Right on! Warp here anytime. What's up here? There's a broken dude. Kinda like me. Huh? Seems bad. Is this a trap? Oh, it seems bad. Sweet! I need to get up there, though. That's great! I want to be up in this stuff. That's the uppest of the up, man. I want to be a part of that. I want to join that party. I want to throw pies at that clown. Other analogies. Crap. Alright, well they gave us our giant arrow reward. That's clearly because they don't want us to get the grand prize yet. So back to exploring. Ooh. Yeah. Ow. Nope. Nope. I have that! Don't I? Maybe it wants me to fill it out. Well, no, I have one piece. And it seems like one piece. Grr. Maybe I did something wrong there. Oh, that shows 3 of the pie slices. Okay, what's the other one show then? Does it show 2? Does it show more? I need to look on the door. That's 4. Okay, I'm sorry. That's totally 4. So that's not happening. Let's move right along then. I want to throw eggs at those chickens. I don't know. We're inventing new ones today. Ooh. Ah! Oh. Hello. Down we go. Yeah. Thank you, elevator music. Woo-hoo-hoo! Can't stop me. I'm the gingerbread man, or something. I'm taking a bite. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm weak. I'm a weak man. Won't vote me. Ah! I'm from the sake of the bite. I'm sorry. I'm hungry. Oh. I was weak. Weak. Ow. Wow. Okay, so clearly no more bites. Obviously. I burned that bridge. That was stupid of me. I'm sorry. One of these days, I would love to see the extent of co-op on this game. I'm scared to turn it on. I don't know like how that's gonna work. Maybe like a rando will just drop in or something. Oh, am I hurting? Yeah. I paused and took another bite. Can you just quit judging me for 2 seconds, please? You're over there, bro. Hit it for me. Man, what a crappy companion. It's because he's got no thumbs. Oh, scary. I wasn't ready for that. One, two, one. Go. Simple. Hey! Uh-oh. Shit. Just get out of there quick. Great. Jeez. Heck, dick. Ugh. Get out of here. Dang. Run! It's like on the elevator, like, door close, door close, door close! Looks like a king or something. Look at that. It looks a little worse for wear. What are these shelves full of? Little skulls? Oh, God. Punk? Didn't show what I need. Whatever I need, I don't have. We know that. Those blocks gonna start moving. Punk! Okay, I'm gonna hit a switch, then the blocks will start moving, right? Gaming 101. Ah! Get wrecked, noob! Ha! Ooh, I'm... Ah! too good. Yeah, I know I need health. I saw myself bleeding on the floor. I was there. I rode that pony. Weird analogies. Love them. Caught it in time. A little bit of a disorienting room now, isn't it? Ha ha ha! See ya! Health? Nope. Money. Oh, so much better. I hate being all beat up. It took control of my character. I didn't know. I thought it would slide me halfway and I could dash down. You could say I was trying to cheat my way through, but that's crap. I thought that was a good way to go. And also a really fun way to go. One, two, one. Whoa, what? 1, 3. 1, 2. 3. So it's 1, then 1, 2. Woo! King Master. King Grandmaster Man. So good. Oh, God, scared. Oh, so it might go across. Both. 1, 2, 1. Both. Shut up. I'm fine. Oh, God. A little stressful. A little stressful, buddy. Gotta be honest. Okay. Of course, one of these. We're fine. Let me in, please. Thanks. Ow. Honk. Oh, God. No! I'm throwing a bomb. I'm throwing a bomb. Bombs are my favorite thing in the universe, and I'm going to throw it. And it will be good, and I'll be happy. Opened that door while I was like half conscious. It was beautiful. You ready? Ha! It's a good bomb. I think. Man, they're all over me! Ah! Alright, let's try it again. I'm revising. Fixing that strategy in my head. Making it all good. Don't even worry about it. Here we go. Right now. Ah! Alright, alright. Alright, we're getting somewhere now. Wah! Yeah, man, you killed it. Good job, champ. So proud of you. I love this dude. I love that epic sword swoosh because he just does it for himself. You know, like nobody's here or anything for miles. I just sort of like, this is for me because I'm awesome. It's so empowering. I don't want to. Oh, is that? Oh, that's a thing. Two of them? Whoa! Man, we should have come north like episode 1. Killing it up north. So good up here. Hey, that's 2 pie slices. Can we open the next thing? Whoa. That's cool. There's 3 of those, so obviously, for the other 2 doors over here. You get to do that again. Get down there. The most productive episode I've had the entire time. That's... Oh. Whoopsies! Man, does that take 3 and the other one take 4? Crap! You get... The gray one's one I just got. One way down there. Okay, so it's 1... Yeah, that's the 4. Like for all these guys? God, there's just 4 everywhere. Right? There is. Son of a gun. Okay. Game's starting to make a whole lot of sense. Yep, there's just 4. So, before I can get that, and that seems close by, and maybe that, I gotta go down, see what that noise is all about. That's what I'm feeling, because I need more pie slices to get up in these doors. See if we can at least get some health. Jeez. Poor guy's falling apart, coughing up pixelated bloods and stuff. If I had tiny squares coming out of my body every time I coughed, I would be very upset too. I don't blame him. Oh, poor little pixel man. Come on, buddy. Get on down there. Get him moving. You can do this. You can go down a ways. Yes, past all this craziness. Backtrack, see if we can spot something. Oh, that music. Don't do this to me. What's that? Nothing? Okay. Him and his sad little red poncho. Oh, little friend. How I love you so. Need a name. I don't think they ever showed it. What about Philip? That's silly. Let's just call him the Hunter. Philip the Hunter. Philip. Whoop. Ah. Menthol cigarettes for Philip. Help him keep going. He needs that silky smooth taste, you guys. I don't smoke. I don't. Never really been a smoker. But I also don't judge. What the secrets? Look at all that cash I'm getting right now. That's $3. Or 3 Roman numeral 2s. That's $6 in numerals. In microchip numeral. Safe to say I'm pretty confused. Oh, there's a little cave over there. I want to get to that. It looks adorable. Pretty say it's safe to say. Pretty say safe. Safe is you're saying it's safe with it, which it's very pretty. That I don't understand what the currency means. I know how much I have, but I don't get it. Secrets? Is this where I want to go? The cute cave! This seems very significant. Is that blood on it? Was somebody here? Huh. Let's find out what this leads to real quick. Then we're going to wrap it up. Okay, you were a disciple. Bad birds burned it all down. You left it behind to come here. I don't think there's anything I can do with that information. I appreciate you sharing your life, but I think that's all there is to that, Birdman. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to catch you on the next one. I'll upload whenever. It's not my job. If it becomes it someday, I will treat it like one, but for now, I just love doing it. I hope someone out there is entertained. You're beautiful. I heart your face. Have a good one.